How to save money on groceries. Hi, it's Luigi and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. In today's video, we'll share with you some tips and tricks on how to save money on groceries. So if you want to learn a thing or two, stay tuned. According to the most recent purchasing statistics available from location intelligence firm Esri, Americans spend an average of $5,174 per year or nearly $431 per month on groceries. Wow! This expense is only increasing due to the continuing coronavirus pandemic. Food basics such as beef and eggs have risen at the quickest rate in over a decade since the outbreak began. Of course, how much you spend on groceries is determined by where you shop, what you purchase, and the number of people in your home. But no matter how much you spend, there are easy steps you can take to save money, such as utilizing the proper form of payment or clipping coupons. Each time you do this, the savings might build up and help offset the higher cost of goods. If you know what you're doing, you can save a ton of money the next time you go grocery shopping. Here are some tips and tricks that you can apply the next time you go on a grocery run. Buy in bulk, but always check for unit prices. Purchasing food and home items in bulk is one of the most popular thrifty tactics. Purchasing big amounts of a certain item, such as diapers, in bulk may save you a significant amount of money. Purchasing in bulk is usually less expensive than per unit. If you buy something in bulk, you nearly always save money on each usage of that item. This may seem like a little difference per usage, perhaps only a few cents. But if you use the item regularly, those pennies add up quickly. If you save 10 cents on something you use every day, you'll save $36.50 every year. But be wary of overusing your stocks. When you have a huge supply of anything, you are prone to overusing it. For example, if you have a lot of paper towels in the cabinet, it appears to be less of a problem to overuse those paper towels. It's easy to misuse body wash when you have a large jug in the shower. If you have a huge jar of spaghetti sauce, you might find yourself using so much within a short period of time. In other words, you might end up complacent just because you have many stocks of something. Just be careful about it. Anyway, it's good to buy in bulk if your budget allows it, but always check for the unit prices so as to make sure that you are really getting the best out of your money. To get the price of a single unit of an item in a bulk product, divide the product's price by the total quantity of units in that bulk product. You can then use that value for comparison to if you don't buy in bulk. Consider how much you'll save by purchasing in bulk. Meal prep to make a grocery shopping list. If you plan your weekly meal ahead of time, you should be able to buy everything for the week in one trip. Meal planning allows you to save money since you'll know what you'll be preparing ahead of time and you'll have your grocery list ready to go. You'll be planning meals around products and your list will be based on these meals. Following the list will help you avoid overpaying on groceries. It'll also help you avoid buying food items you don't need, some of which might even go bad and be thrown away as a result of not following a list or buying too much. You end up only buying what you need when you plan your meals. When you go to the grocery store without a list, you may quickly find yourself buying goods that are unnecessary. Even if you have a list, it might be difficult to stick to it if you bring your children and/or shop on an empty stomach. Make a list and stick to it the next time you go food shopping to avoid accidentally increasing your expenditure. Also, you might want to consider eating beforehand or leaving the kids at home to minimize impulse purchases. Sign up for the loyalty program. Most grocery stores have a free-to-join loyalty program. Signing up entitles you to members-only discounts that are deducted instantly at the checkout. No need to clip coupons. Now, this might not always be effective, but it might help if you go to that grocery store regularly or often. Clip coupons. After you've joined your preferred grocery store's loyalty club, enhance your savings by clipping coupons for additional discounts. Look for the weekly circular in the mail and comb through the pages for discounts that interest you. Save any coupons for your next grocery run. There are also digital coupons that are just as simple to use. Download your preferred grocery store's mobile app, then find the section where you can use digital coupons. The use of digital coupons may vary from store to store, but the bottom line is you might be able to save money just like regular coupons. Join a wholesale club. Costco and other wholesale clubs can help you save money by purchasing in bulk. Joining a wholesale club might be beneficial if you have a big family, but keep in mind that buying in bulk isn't for everyone, because you'll have to pay more money up front even though you'll be able to save in the long run. Buy items on sale. Supermarkets are always offering specials that can help you save money on everything from milk and eggs to treats like ice cream and cookies. Consider purchasing products on sale whenever feasible, especially if the regular price is excessive. Sale products are frequently placed prominently around the store, such as at the main entrance and the ends of aisles. Avoid pre-packaged items. While buying pre-cut vegetables and pre-shredded cheese might save you time in the kitchen, supermarkets sometimes charge a premium for the convenience. To save money, choose complete commodities such as fresh or frozen vegetables and block cheese instead. Compare prices between stores. Consider shopping at many food stores and comparing costs if you live near several. You can find out which retailer provides the things you need at the best price, and also look at their sales. To maximize discounts, you may wish to shop at two places if it isn't too much of a problem. Bring your own bag. If you bring reusable shopping bags to the store, you can sometimes obtain a discount on your purchase total. Whole Foods Market, for example, will offer you a 10-cent discount for every bag you bring. While you're out shopping, do some math. You'll avoid unpleasant shocks at the checkout counter if you maintain a continuous account of how much money is in your basket. Use your phone's calculator to keep track of all the vegetables, fruits, and other staples you're placing in your cart. This may cause you to pause and consider, do I really need that $5 sparkling water that isn't on sale? Always keep a tab of your pantry. Look through your cupboard or refrigerator and see what sorts of meals you can make using the components you currently have. Who says you have to buy additional food when you have perfectly excellent chicken thighs at the back of your freezer, plus a few unopened cans of black beans and salsa on your shelves? You may still need to buy a few items, but using the food you already have at home will save you a lot of money. Know when to shop. When it comes to finding a good deal, time is everything. Many experts believe that shopping for groceries on Wednesdays is less expensive. This is because grocery retailers refill their shelves in the middle of the week and mark down what didn't sell the previous week. However, because they are in the process of adjusting the discounts, they may still offer you the price drops from last week's sale. If going on a Wednesday is not an option, try to avoid weekends. More people equals fewer deals. The time of day also has an impact on discounts. Early birds get first dibs on the bargain racks. If you're a late riser, shopping immediately before closing time when the deli and bakery counters are scrambling to sell off their remaining stock is another wonderful method to earn large savings. Start freezing and storing meals now. Do you need to figure out how to save money on food quickly? There are several freezer meal recipes available online. Check them out. You could try setting aside a Saturday to prepare a large number of freezer dinners and reap the rewards later. You will not only save money, but you will also save time. And you won't have to eat the same meal every day for fear of spoiling your supplies. That is unbeatable. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification icon so you can be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you later.